Okay, time to restart the weekend updates for 2025. It's been a hectic start to the year, so I haven't done one until now. As the dates say here in ShareSite, this is covering from the 1st of January 2025 until the 27th, so basically a month here. As the interface says, we're looking at the pure play geospatial stocks. These are the main ones that matter to our industry. There's about 120 of them. And as a summary, capital gains have been even for this month at plus 0.31%. Let's do the breakdown by sub-index. So aerial imagery down 2, analytics down 11, autonomous systems down 1, CAD up 2, consultancy down 10, device up 3, drone down 12, geospatial software down 5, HD mapping down a massive 44, indoor up 8, LiDAR up 15, location-based services up 13, map up 5, network modeling up 13, new space or EO stocks up 11, PNT down 3, remote sensing legacy stocks down 3, seafloor down 2, spatial computing even, surveying up 6. So as I said, still even for the pure play geospatial stocks, getting a flavor elsewhere. So adjacent geospatial stocks is about 240 of these. These are more the large cap stocks, Google, Oracle, etc. Still play in a meaningful way in geospatial. I won't do the sub-index breakdown, but the summary is that they're up 7% for the month. Similarly, for Geo Awesomeness Blog's top 100 geospatial stocks, that portfolio is also similarly up, actually a percent more, 8%, largely because, like the adjacent geospatial stocks, they tend to be large cap ones that have a bit more traction in the market, shall we say. All right, then moving over to contribution analysis. So to understand that, overall, the index is up 25,000 Australian dollars basically for the month. So what this is saying is how much each individual stock contributes to that overall return. So here's the top 10. They have contributed overall 66% of that $25,000 gain. And the main one contributing 45% of it was the large upward move of Oracle for the month of 45%. Others that matter here are Northrop Grumman and Nvidia. The rest are less than 5%. In a similar way, we can look at the exposure. So, the overall, the portfolio is worth 605,000 Australian dollars, and the top 10 are these. And Oracle of that 605,000 is 190,000, which is 31%. So that just shows how much Oracle dominates this geospatial index. Others that dominate it are Autodesk, Northrop Grumman, Nvidia, Microsoft, L3 Harris, Tetra Tech, though, China SpaceSat, and PTC, a CAD software company, maybe are ones that you don't know so much about, and interesting, therefore, to see that they make it into the top 10 in terms of exposure. Then we want to look at valuations. So I've chosen a simple sort of way to gain insight here. We've got the entire geospatial index arranged by PE ratio, or price to earnings ratio, ascending, and the usual suspects that I mentioned are, well, at least Fugro is still less than 7, and Strabag is still less than 7 years of income to pay for the business. This is interesting to see, given that Strabag is, blowing the lights out in terms of earnings growth over the past few years. 20 billion USD revenue is not to be sniffed at. Neither is Fugro's 2 billion. So I won't say any more. I don't want to encourage you any way or to encourage or discourage you to buy these stocks, but only to draw your attention to their decent performance and seemingly low valuation. If you are a dividend-focused investor, from the HD mapping subindex, you've got Volkswagen and Mercedes at a 9% dividend yield. Just to draw those to your attention in terms of this lens of geospatial stocks, giving you something to look at in terms of what might be attractive in the markets. Okay, something else to mention is Vikas Shantaram Pingley's efforts to do a weekly summary of job opportunities across the world. So I'll just dip in briefly to a few examples from the regions he's classified the world into. So Asia, India, you've got a program manager for geospatial at Amazon, worth a look. Europe, in Holland, there's a geospatialist position going in the capital, Den Haag. In terms of North America and the US, TCS is hiring for a GS analyst. Interesting to have a look there. In Africa, Morocco, there's a postdoc in hyperspectral going at Mohammed VI Polytechnic University. Love that name. Then finally, in the Middle East, in the UAE, AECOM is hiring for an urban spatial analyst. See you next week.